बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Dear studious students, today we are going to start question number 9 of exercise 1.1. Open your books and read the statement. In question number 9, determine whether the given function, this is given function, and find out whether it is even or odd. So before starting question, understand what is the meaning of even or odd. If you have any function f of x, by putting the value in place of x minus x, if the function repeat itself, for example f of x is equal to someone, in place of x if you put minus x and then the function, same function repeat again, then the function will be even. Or if by putting negative sign in given function, if the function in it comes with negative sign, for example in this way, if your answer comes with the same function but with negative sign, then the function will be odd, right? For example, I am solving question so that you understand the term what is the meaning of even or odd. This is given function in front of you. F of x is equal to x cube plus x. To check whether it is even or odd, in place of f of x put here negative sign. F of minus x, in place of x minus x cube as it is, plus in place of x minus x just put negative sign in addition to check whether it is even or odd. As you know, when there is cube in power, the negative sign retains as it is. So minus x cube plus minus minus x, when you have taken negative sign common, it comes as x cube plus x. This one is the same function. This is the same function as given function, just with negative sign. So it means the given function repeats with negative sign. Such type of function in which by putting negative value, the given function repeats itself with negative sign, such type of functions are known as, hence it is odd function. Hence it is odd function. Hence the given function is odd. I am solving another example. Example number 2. From your book, read the statement of example number 2. F of x is equal to x plus 2 whole square. Given function is f of x is equal to x plus 2 whole square. जी अब हमने क्या करना है? To check it whether it is even or odd. First time write the function as it is. F of x is equal to x plus 2 whole square. To check it whether the function is even or odd, put in place of x minus x, this x with minus x plus 2 square. When you have taken negative sign common, x minus 2 whole square. So this x minus 2, ये जो x minus 2 आपके सामने आया है, माइनस को ऐड करने के बाद, यहाँ पर माइनस इंसर्ट करने के बाद गिवन फंक्शन में, तो क्या आप यहाँ कह सकते हैं कि ये जो हमारा गिवन फंक्शन है वो रिपीट हुआ है? रिपीट नहीं हुआ. इन गिवन फंक्शन देयर इज x plus 2, while in our final calculated function माइनस की वैल्यू भी आई है और x minus 2 x plus 2 की जगह पर x minus 2 आया है यहाँ पर. इट मीन्स के नेगेटिव साइन भी ऐड हुआ है आंसर में और फंक्शन भी रिपीट नहीं हुआ. अगर यहाँ पर इस तरह से होता x plus 2, फिर हमने कहना था कि फंक्शन हमारा रिपीट हुआ है नेगेटिव साइन को यहाँ पे इंसर्ट करने के बाद, तो इसको हमने कहना था प्रीवियस एग्जाम्पल की तरह कि ये हमारा क्या है, ऑड फंक्शन है. लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या है, हमारे पास फंक्शन भी हमारा गिवन फंक्शन रिपीट नहीं हुआ, तो सच टाइप ऑफ फंक्शंस आर नोन एज neither even nor odd. So the given function is neither even nor odd function, right? I am solving next part and other part of the question. fifth part of the all parts of this question have same method, so I am solving fifth part of the question number 9. Read the statement of question number 5. Given function is f of x is equal to x raised to power 2 over 3 plus 6. Now check the function whether it is even or odd. This is given function f of x is equal to x 2 over 3 plus 6. To check whether it is even or odd, insert negative sign with x. F of minus x is equal to minus x, its power is 2 or 3 plus 6. Second here, can we write this form minus x square is equal to 1 over 3? Is there any issue you have? क्या इस तरह लिख सकते हैं हम इस पावर को? पावर्स तो आपस में आपको पता है मल्टीप्लाई हो जाती हैं. अगर हम इसको इस तरह से राइट कर लेते हैं फिर भी ये क्या बनता है 2 over 3 ही रहता है, राइट. And as you know, when there is square of negative term, it becomes positive, minus x square, so it becomes plus x square. So you can see this is the given function. When inserting negative sign in the given function, the function repeat itself, then such type of functions are known as now function is repeated. Hence, this is even function or odd function. Yes, this is even function. ये आप लोगों ने याद रखना है कि फंक्शन रिपीट हो और रिपीट होने के साथ गिवन फंक्शन आए और उसके साथ नेगेटिव साइन आ जाए तो फिर वो ऑड फंक्शन होता है, और अगर नेगेटिव साइन ना आए फंक्शन इटसेल्फ रिपीट हो तो फिर वो हमारे पास इवन फंक्शन होता है. और ये कंडीशन वो है जब ये ना इवन है ना ऑड है. क्यों? क्योंकि नेगेटिव साइन भी यहाँ पर इंसर्ट है और इसके अलावा फंक्शन इटसेल्फ भी रिपीट नहीं हुआ. फंक्शन हमारा x + 2 के साथ है और हमने जो कैलकुलेट किया है वो x - 2 के साथ है. All parts of question 9 have same method, so try to solve remaining parts of question number 9. Now we are going to next exercise in next lecture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.